I'm always fumbling for my keys when I'm trying to get into my house. And if you are too, luckily there's a solution. You can get a keyless entry for your front door. I've been wanting to upgrade the locks on my front door for a while now. So luckily I got this keyless entry sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. This thing's pretty nice. Not only can you unlock your front door with the touch of a button, I'm always forgetting to lock my door too. And so after 10 seconds, it relocks. So that's pretty nice. You don't have to worry about having you fumbling around with your keys. You don't have to worry about remembering to relock your door. All right, let me go ahead and show you how I set this thing up. All right, here's everything that you get in the box here. You get the keypad with a lock on it, so you could use a key on there if you want. It does come with a couple of keys, and then it comes with the controls here. And you put some batteries in here, this area here. You'll need to put your batteries in there to control it. You can see once you get the batteries in there to test it, you just hit the button there. Unlocked. One of the nice things is it has an auto lock on here, so if your hands are full and you can't relock your door, it'll relock after a few seconds. Locked. Yeah, how cool is that? That happens to me all the time. If like I get some pizza or something delivered and my hands are full, I don't have a chance to relock the door, it'll just relock it for you. So that's really nice. All right, and then you get your strike plates here, you get some screws, everything's all labeled in the bag, so that's really nice. You also get a plate here so that you could drill the holes or cut your door if you need to. And then you get your instructions here on what to do. And then here's your handles here. It also comes with a handle set, so you get a nice handle set there as well. All right, let's go ahead and put this on the door and see how it all works. You can't really test this though until you have power into here. You need to plug it into this section right here in order to get the power and everything connected. Lock direction setting succeeded. All right, we know it's connected there because it's locked. Okay, I got the old hardware off of there, and you can see what I was saying. It looks like this door had been painted before, so it's a different color here. So I'll have to get some touch-up paint to clean that up because this new handle here is only going to cover this area here. It's not going to cover all this or all that there. So that's just something to think about. You might need to get some touch-up paint if you replace your door lock like me. If you take it off, make sure the pinhole there is facing that direction so that you don't get stuck here like I did. And then you can just put that back in. Now your door handle's secure on there. And if you need to take it back out, you just put that little pin in there and then that releases it. This lock's pretty easy to program. You just follow the quick setup guide right here. To program the lock, the reset button is right in here. You just push the reset button there and then follow all the instructions. Added successfully. And I enter unlock. Now it works. And then it tells you what user you are. And like I said, you can add more users. So this is just user 1. There's a whole bunch of different instructions you can follow under quick setup there. But yeah, there you go. This is pretty nice. The only issue I have, and it's really nice that it relocks. The only issue I had with it is my old door here, the people who installed the hardware before, they had painted over it. So I'm going to have to get some touch-up paint there to fix that up. But yeah, this thing's pretty nice.